Good morning. Today, Snowcook the chef is going to make a cheesy veggie omelet. Real recipe, virtual pause.
You'll need 2 eggs, shredded cheese, chopped peppers, spinach, a splash of milk, and a little butter.
Let's grab the ingredients: eggs, cheese, peppers, spinach, milk, and butter.
Let's start by cracking 2 eggs into a bowl.
Time to crack 2 eggs into a bowl.
Let's chop some peppers and spinach. Toss them into the egg mix and stir. Now whisk them with a splash of milk.
Melt butter in a pan over medium heat.
Let's pour the mixture into the pan.
Let it cook for 2 minutes.
Fold it gently and let it rest.
Clean chef, clean kitchen.
Like, share, and join Snowcook next time for more tasty fun.